Yes, you heard that right. You can begin your investment journey with $0 in your pocket. If you're ready to discover how to build wealth from the ground up, stick around as we walk through some easy steps to get started. Before we continue, can you please subscribe to our channel, as this helps us to grow the channel. Okay, listen, to invest without no money, you need to first understanding the basics of investing. Before we dive into the strategies, let's take a moment to understand the basics of investing. Investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. However, not all investments require upfront capital. Key concepts: assets. These include stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and more. Returns, the profit you earn from your investments. Risk, the potential for losing your investment. Diversification, spreading your investments to reduce risk. Understanding these fundamentals will help you navigate the investment landscape more effectively. Leveraging skills and knowledge. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is your knowledge and skills. Many successful investors started by leveraging what they knew or could do. Here's how you can do it. Educate yourself. There are countless free resources available online. Websites like Coursera, Khan Academy, and even YouTube offer courses on personal finance and investing. Skill-based investing. If you have skills in a particular area, such as graphic design, writing, or coding, you can start offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The money you earn can be your initial investment capital. Networking. Join online forums, attend webinars, and connect with like-minded individuals. Networking can open doors to opportunities that don't require initial capital, but instead need time and expertise. Utilizing free investment platforms. In 2024, many platforms allow you to start investing with no money down. Let's explore some of the best options available. Stockpile. This platform allows you to buy fractional shares of stocks. You can start with as little as $5, and sometimes they offer promotions that give you free stock to begin with. M1 Finance. M1 Finance offers free investing with no account minimums. You can create a diversified portfolio with fractional shares, and they don't charge commissions or management fees. Robinhood. Known for revolutionizing the investment world by eliminating trading fees, Robinhood allows you to start trading stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies with no minimum deposit. Public. Public is another investment app that offers commission-free trades and allows you to buy fractional shares. They also have a social aspect, enabling you to follow other investors and learn from their strategies. Participating in investment promotions and rewards programs. Many financial institutions and companies offer promotions and rewards that can help you start investing with no money. Credit card rewards. Some credit cards offer cashback or points that can be converted into investments. For instance, cards affiliated with investment firms may allow you to deposit your rewards directly into a brokerage account. Sign-up bonuses. Look out for sign-up bonuses from brokerage firms. Many companies offer cash bonuses when you open a new account and meet certain criteria, which can be a great way to get started with some initial capital. Referral programs. Use referral programs to your advantage. Many investment platforms give you and the person you refer free stocks or cash bonuses. Exploring alternative investment options. Traditional stocks and bonds aren't the only ways to invest. Let's look at some alternative investment options that require little to no upfront capital. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with minimal upfront investment. They pool money from many investors to fund real estate projects, and you can start with as little as $10. Peer-to-peer lending. Websites like Lending Club and Prosper let you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. While these platforms may require some initial capital, they often have low minimum investment thresholds. Sweat equity. Invest your time and skills into a startup or a small business in exchange for equity. This can be a great way to become an investor without having to put up any cash. Hey, before we continue, did you subscribe to the channel? Can you do us a favor by subscribing to the channel to help grow the channel? Next on our list is using micro-investing apps. Micro-investing apps are designed to help people invest small amounts of money regularly. Acorns. This app rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's a painless way to start investing with minimal impact on your daily budget. Stash. Stash allows you to start investing with as little as $1. They offer a variety of investment options and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. Raise. Similar to Acorns, Raise, previously known as Acorns in some regions, rounds up your purchases and invests the difference. It's a simple way to build an investment portfolio over time. Building a side hustle. Starting a side hustle can be a great way to generate extra income that can be invested. Freelancing. As mentioned earlier, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services. Selling products online. Use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade items, vintage goods, or other products. Vlogging. Create content around a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself can be the most rewarding investment of all. Education and skills development. Take free online courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses on various subjects. Health and well-being. A healthy mind and body are crucial for long-term success. Invest time in regular exercise, proper nutrition, and mental health practices. Networking. Build your professional network through online platforms like LinkedIn. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and resources. Managing your finances. Proper financial management is key to successful investing. Budgeting. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more towards investments. Debt management. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Once your debt is under control, you can allocate more funds towards investments. Long-term perspective and patience. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a long-term perspective and patience. Compounding. Understand the power of compounding. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time due to compound interest. Avoid emotional decisions. Stay calm during market fluctuations. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Review and adjust. Periodically review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Investing with no money may seem daunting, but as we've discussed, there are numerous strategies you can employ to start your investment journey in 2024. By leveraging free resources, utilizing innovative platforms, and making smart financial decisions, you can build a strong foundation for your financial future. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.